Hey yo, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are all having a wonderful day so far. Today your boy will be talking to you guys about an hidden gem crypto that a lot of people are missing out on, and the one I'm talking about is Clifford Inu. If you guys have not heard of this token, it is based on the Ethereum network. Clifford Inu is a highly deflationary token on the Ethereum that actually increases in price with each burn. What I really like about this token is the amount of burns they have every single time. Now before we get more into it, if you guys are here for the first time, do want to stay up to date with everything to do with the crypto market, I highly recommend you scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, also go ahead and slap a like on the video. That's completely free to do so, but at the same time it helps me and you as the YouTube algorithm will push the video out to more people. More people will see the incredible side of Clifford Inu. They decide to buy into it, start spiking up, and all of us make a lot of profit. Now first of all, let's just look at the website. It looks so pretty and also very well programmed. Meet Clifford Inu, the dog token that never stops eating, growing. At the same time, Clifford Inu is a highly deflationary token on the Ethereum blockchain that never stops pumping through the use of true deflationary techniques and further income generation. Also, on the 1st of 2022 January, they are going to be having a $1 million US burn, which will be happening in about 1 day and 9 hours. Now what is super cool about this token is the amount of burns they have. You guys know when there is more burns, obviously the supply will go down, therefore the demand will stay the same and the price will go up. Personally, the best thing about this token that I like is the fact the amount of burns they have. Just on the first, which is in about a day, they're going to be having a $1 million burn, which will decrease the circulating supply by quite a bit. One of the main issues with cryptocurrency projects face is the lack of long-term volume, which invariably slows down the further development and reinvestment into enhancing the project. And Clifford Inu solves this by investing a percentage of the marketing wallet into a yield-bearing asset with profits generated reintroduced back into the project in a form of marketing token buybacks, thereby increasing the profile of the project and attracting new investors. So you can see they have some cool ideas behind the token as well. Clifford not only grows inwards but outwards as well. He will not only be growing through buying Cliff supply, but will do so in using a portion of the marketing funds to create its own investment portfolio, and whatever profit they make from that, they do the buyback and obviously destroy it, so reducing the circulating supply. Now if you decide to buy into the token, there is going to be a 15% tax, which 10% of that will go to liquidity, 4% to marketing, and 1% will be the dev fee. If you decide to sell, on the other hand, you will have to go ahead and give close to 20% fee. 14% of that will go to liquidity, 5% to marketing, and 1% to dev, which I think is really good. And if we decide to look at their roadmap, it just looks so pretty to look at. So the token's been launched. First, automatic burn has been done, then CMC and CG listing done, set burn time frame with holders, marketing campaign rollout, and acquisitions. Now moving down, I know a lot of you guys might have the question, Sky, is the team being DDoS? And let's just say half of them have been and half of them are unknown. Now the process to purchase this token, I will show you guys down the line. Now if we decide to look at their white paper, one thing which they mention in the white paper which I really like is the anti-whale system they have implemented into the token. Max wallets are restricted to 0.5% of the supply at launch. There is going to be 5% increase fee to reduce any swing trading. Now swing trading is a big problem when it comes to smaller tokens. If someone decides to buy a lot of the supply, they will decide to hold on to it, and when the price goes up, they will completely dump it back into the market, destroying the price. But as you guys can see, they're going to have a 5% increase in fee. And at the same time, a single wallet is restricted to only buying 0.5% of the supply. They have a huge marketing plan. They're working with a lot of influencers, which is really good. If we decide to look at their security in terms of how secure it is to actually put your money into this token, on Certex, they are waiting for the whole audit to come through. And at the same time, if you do decide to search up our boy Clifford Inu on the Certex, you will come to see that the score is close to 81, which is quite high compared to some other tokens which are about Clifford's size. This token is doing some magic. It has 81 out of 100, so the security is pretty high for this token. And if we decide to look at their OpenSea, the CEO does have an account, and it is for Clifford Inu, and they're holding on to some NFTs, which in the future, if you think about it, it can actually go up to some big numbers. They have one of the Bored Ape, which is worth close to 50 Ethereum. I just think it's really cool to see their OpenSea account and just see what they are holding on to at the moment. If we decide to look at the chart, it will give you so much information. First of all, we're looking on DEX tools. You guys know it's a very widely used website for looking at charts for any token. Now, if you decide to look at the hot pairs at the moment, you will come to see that Clifford Inu is the 4th most searched on DEX tools right now. If you decide to look at the overall chart, you can see the chart is looking on a very stable. So it had the initial spike, then it did have a little bit of a dip when a lot of people decided to sell, then it started cooling off, and right now it's on a point where it might be actually breaking out very quickly. And on the DEX score, you can see they received 99 out of 99 based on the reliability of the token. They have close to 10,000 holders, and they have a market cap of close to 100 million, which is much higher than some smaller projects. And this token cannot be considered as a low cap because it has so much potential yet still to go, and 100 million is a big amount, and the chart is showing some big numbers yet to come. The price is only sitting close to 0.01 cent, which is really low. If you do want to stay up to date with everything to do with this token, I highly recommend following them on Twitter. They're very active. Just 2 hours, they had a post. They keep the whole community posted all the time, which I personally really like. And another place to actually be if you're going to be buying the Clifford token is obviously going to be their Telegram. This is very important. They have close to 2,000 subscribers, but they are very active on it, and it's the best place to stay up to date with everything. Now, before we carry on, I know a lot of you guys have the question, Sky, how do I buy this token? It's really simple. Just go to their website, scroll down until you come to this page that says how to buy. Click on buy on Uniswap, then you guys will be given a pop-up. Just click on import, and then on the top you just need to go ahead and put in Ethereum. Now you just need to put in the Ethereum that you want to go ahead and convert into Cliff. Before you can do it though, make sure you do click on connect wallet and connect your own wallet, because you need to make sure that you do have some Ethereum inside of your wallet that you want to go ahead and convert into Cliff. And once your wallet is converted to Uniswap, you can just go ahead and fill in the Ethereum that you want to convert into Cliff. Just click on swap, and it is done. It will be added into your account, and you will be able to use it, hold it, do whatever you want with it, and then once the price goes up, you can also take profit. With that out of the way, thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Personally, I'm really excited to see what will happen to the price of Clifford Inu when they decide to do that $1 million burn in about a day. Personally, I'm really excited to see. I hope you guys are as well. I just see a lot of future in this token. But other than that, thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, do want to stay up to date with everything, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.